What's going on, guys? So today I have a, what is this? 160 gigabyte 7th generation iPod Classic. And this one is stuck on the Apple screen. Sometimes it'll go to like the restore screen. I have not been able to get it to restore at all. I even tried to rescue the data off it. My computer actually recognized the drive, but I couldn't actually ever really do anything with it. Yeah, it just kind of hangs here. So let's throw another drive in and let's figure out what's wrong with it. So let's open it up. Get us a little pry tool here. Find a gap between the front and the rear case, and just kind of work your spudger down there, trying your best not to pry outwards to destroying the case. And then just work your way around. There we go. On to the next side. And work your way down. Got one more clip right there. And then we just got the bottom. Sometimes it gets a little tight there with it bent up, so you can kind of start over there and then work your way down. There we go. And we accidentally closed ourselves up over here. Okay. So now what you want to do next, you want to fight that temptation to just open this like a book. Don't do that, which the battery cable was already disconnected. Well, what I try to tell you there is don't open it like a book, because what you can actually do is rip the battery connector off the motherboard, but our battery has disconnected from the motherboard, so there you go. Okay. So we're going to save this. I might throw this in another drive or another iPod and see what's actually wrong with it, because oddly enough, I couldn't get the iPod to even boot into diagnostic mode. So I don't know if there are buttons that are not working or what the deal is. So, I mean, the drive could be toast, but the motherboard might also be toast. I really don't know. So let's put this drive in to test. Just throw that in there. Okay, close the latch. And now we're going to raise this battery clip. Maybe. There we go. Let's close her up. Now the battery doesn't feel swollen. There we go. Close the latch. All right, let's see what we got. Red X. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. I'll just use my fingers. There we go. Don't know. Let me try a different drive. Here's a Samsung. And plug it into power. Okay, there we go. So that drive is bad. I need to send that back. What is that? It's 128 gigabyte. Okay. So let's pop this into the restore real quick. Or actually, let me plug the battery back in. Then I can restore it. Actually, what I'm going to do first, we're going to take this out of here. I am going to put a regular 160 gigabyte iPod drive in it. Alright, let's try this one. And close the latch. And I am going to plug it into power again just to make sure it boots. Restore screen, please. Yep, there we go. Perfect. Let's plug the battery back in. Okay. Cable seated. Close the latch. Give me that restore screen. There we go. All right. So I'm going to plug this into my computer. And I will see you in just a second as soon as I have it restored. Okay, so got everything restored. Ejected. Okay, threw some music on there as well, so let's test it out and see how everything else is working. Okay. Here we go. Both ears are good. Band of the day is Spite. Love my metal, love my spite. Headphones are good. Play pause is good. Next is good. Previous is good. And menu is good. And the hold switch is working as it should. Perfect. Let's close. If I can find my... Where? This will work. Okay, so hold switch is on. I'm listening to music. So we'll know if anything gets caught or shorts out or anything like that. Sorry, I'm gonna fix my headphones. And before I close it, I like to give the case just a little squeeze. You know, because when you're opening it, you are inadvertently prying outwards on it. A lot of people out there give me shit because I say don't pry out, but I'm not really I'm not going at it. I mean, it's not, I don't know how it's not as bad as they make it out to be. iPod's fine. Okay, anyway, that's my rant for the day. So let's just close her up like so. Everything sounds good. Everything is tight. Everything looks good. A little hair in there. But there we go. Here's another one. All right, you guys enjoy this content, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Drop a comment down below. Email is in the description if you need a repair. Hit me up.